Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cake pops. This is a really easy and fun project to do with kids or have at any get-together. You can use any color of chocolate and any type of cake. I prefer using candy melts, but any melting wafers will work. What you will need to get started is some cake, at least one bag of candy melts, cake pop sticks, a small amount of frosting, wax paper, and a cookie sheet. Start by placing a small amount of cake into a mixing bowl and crumble it. Then add a small amount of frosting into the bowl and start mixing this together using your hands. It's important to add just a small amount of frosting to get started. Adding too much frosting will make the cake a gooey mess, but adding not enough will make the cake not be able to hold its shape. You will want it to be moldable, but not super soft or crumbly. Start by scooping and rolling the cake into a ball shape. I used a 2 tablespoon scoop to try to keep the size consistent, but you can use whatever tools you would like to get the shape. Line a cookie sheet with wax paper and start placing the cake balls you have made onto the sheet. Chill these in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You will need the cake to be cold since this will help the cake balls hold its shape while being dipped in the melted chocolate. Now melt your chocolate either using a microwave or a double boiler. If using a microwave, don't overheat as this can burn the chocolate. I suggest microwaving in 15-second intervals, stirring in between. You will then dip the cake pop stick about a ½ inch into the melted chocolate and insert this in the middle of the chilled cake balls. If you would like, you can smooth out the chocolate that forms around the stick with your finger. Return the tray to the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes to allow time for the chocolate to harden around the stick. Reheat the chocolate in a cup that is big enough to allow the whole cake pop to be easily coated in chocolate. Remove only a few cake pops from the fridge to start dipping them and shake off any extra chocolate lightly so you do not lose the cake from the stick. You can use a toothpick to pop any air bubbles and also to scrape off any extra uneven layers of chocolate. You can use a cake pop stand, a box, or a styrofoam block as shown here to stand the cake pops in to decorate and to allow the chocolate to harden. You can decorate cake pops with sprinkles or any other topping you would like while the chocolate is still melted. If applying a drizzle, chill the cake pops and then apply the drizzle. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and select the bell to get any notifications on future content. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy your cake pops.